What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today is a mini Klein-a-thon. We're going to talk a little bit about Klein. They sent us out a couple items here. We have the compact cable cutter. So we'll just go over that real fast. What do you know about compact cable cutters, Eric?
All I know is that Klein hand tools are nice.
Klein hand tools are nice, you guys. Usually made in the USA, sometimes not. These happen to be made in the USA. Real simple grips on them, right? We actually went out and saw how they make these grips, and it's as simple as you think. They just dip in and pull up, right? So glad to see they're keeping American jobs rolling, you know. But it's a good, trusty pair of pliers. No gimmicks, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know when you start seeing pliers with gimmicks? Oh, hey, it also pops beer bottles, this or that, you know? I don't know. Sometimes you just want to go back to the old school original. Now, Klein's getting a little technical, Eric.
They are. And I think this is something that's extremely handy.
Why?
Because how many times you're sitting in a room where you're doing something where you're working and all that, and you just want a little bit of air movement, whether you're downstairs, whether you're in a closet doing, like you used to do, network cabling and all that, or just all sorts of different things. It's nice to have a little bit of air movement. This thing's very versatile. It basically, you can clamp it, it's got a magnet, and it's got a keyhole basically to hang it up.
Wow.
So if you can get a little bit of air movement in there, that's
what battery
huge.
platform does it take?
Rechargeable battery.
What? It's
right
all built
here,
in?
built-in battery, yes.
Man, it's crazy because it does get a lot of runtime, but I'm just trying to think of where the batteries would be. I mean, probably right here.
I would have to think, yeah, down here. Maybe it's just a roll of batteries or something, you know?
Yeah. Magnet on the back, you guys, and then two different sizes where it could go around conduit, you know, so if you're working on that site. And then on the back, how do you change the speeds?
Just push it again one more time.
Oh, just push it to get speeds. And every time you push it, you're going to get a battery status fuel gauge.
Yes.
Up to how many hours?
9.
9 hours on low, you guys.
Yeah.
So I mean, that's a full day's worth of work, you know. Unless you're like Eric and work the 12-hour day every day.
Well, mine's like more 12 minutes, but
Well, yeah.
thank
But
you.
You know what I'm saying?
Thank you for the 12 hours. Yeah.
But you know what I'm saying? No, but I mean, it's going to get you through most of the day on low. And like Eric said, USB-C, plug it in any computer, any power source.
Yes. One thing I would like to see is it would be nice, because you do need the cord to charge it, it'd be nice to have storage somewhere where you can put this in there, because I know it's going to go in a bag. I always have a hard time finding cords.
I mean, if you have Android, I think most Androids are USB-C now. And so
they really?
So
Okay.
some Apple products. But yeah, and the good thing about that is too, you guys, you can just get a fuel status gauge, you can just get your tool charger. So if you use Milwaukee, you can just put that Milwaukee thing on with the USB ports on it.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, just plug into this
Yep.
to keep that full running all day. So, you know, it moves around. It's pretty simple.
Wow,
I don't know.
that burrito smells good.
Can you smell it?
I
I know, you
can.
guys.
It smells good.
That's how much we're working today. It's busy. You know?
Yeah.
I just got to eat. I'm trying to move.
We're putting in 15-minute days today, you know?
No, very
But
cool.
that is cool. I like
Yeah.
that. It's a cool idea. It's nice just to have a little fan. It's not really heavy, which is nice too. So if you throw it in a bag,
Right, and I actually
huge.
like the idea that it has its own built-in battery, because I'm not looking for a charged battery. I'm not looking for, you know, and actually less weight. It's light.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, and it feels like a good quality plastic.
Mm-hmm.
You guys, Klein doesn't pay us or anything like that, but I mean, this is just their tools. You know, they're good tools. What can we say? They don't hit the home run with everything, just like every tool company,
exactly.
you know. But definitely on this, you know, going back to the old school ways, and this right here going back to, it's pretty cool.
I think it's really
Technology. Neat. All right, you guys, peace out. Let us know what you guys think. Comment below. Go Klein.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.